Hello, Paws Tales family. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the fascinating world of our canine companions. Today, we're tackling some of the most common myths about dogs and setting the record straight. Have you ever wondered if dogs can see colors, or if a wagging tail always means happiness? Or maybe you've heard about the concept of alpha dogs and wondered what that's all about. Well, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more myth-busting content about our beloved dogs. 1. Can dogs see colors? Let's start with one of the most enduring myths. Dogs are completely colorblind. Many people believe that dogs only see in black and white, but that's not true. While dogs don't see the full spectrum of colors that humans do, they can see some colors. Dogs perceive the world in shades of blue and yellow, similar to a human with red-green colorblindness. So the next time you throw that bright red ball, remember that your dog sees it as a shade of gray or brown. 2. A wagging tail always means happiness. Another common misconception is that a wagging tail always indicates a happy dog. While a wagging tail can be a sign of happiness, it's not the only emotion it can express. Dogs use their tails to communicate a range of feelings, including excitement, anxiety, and even aggression. The key is to look at the tail's position and movement. A high, stiff wag can indicate alertness or aggression, while a low, gentle wag usually signals relaxation or friendliness. Always consider the context and other body language cues to understand what your dog is feeling. 3. The myth of the alpha dog. The idea of the alpha dog comes from outdated research on wolf packs. Many dog owners believe that they need to establish dominance over their dogs by acting as the alpha. However, recent studies have shown that dog behavior is more complex and doesn't strictly follow a hierarchy like wolves. Dogs are social animals that respond better to positive reinforcement and leadership based on mutual respect rather than dominance. Training your dog with kindness and consistency is far more effective than trying to assert dominance. 4. Dogs only learn through treats. Some people think that the only way to train a dog is with food rewards. While treats are a great motivator, they're not the only tool you can use. Dogs respond well to praise, toys, and playtime as rewards. The key is to find what motivates your dog and use it to reinforce good behavior. Over time, you can phase out treats and rely more on other forms of positive reinforcement. 5. You can't teach an old dog new tricks. The saying, "You can't teach an old dog new tricks," couldn't be further from the truth. Dogs of any age can learn new behaviors and commands. It might take a bit more patience and consistency, especially with older dogs who have established habits, but it's definitely possible. Training sessions that are short, fun, and positive can help keep your senior dog mentally stimulated and engaged. 6. Dogs eat grass when they're sick. Many people believe that dogs eat grass to make themselves vomit when they're sick. While this can happen, it's not the only reason dogs munch on grass. Some dogs simply enjoy the taste and texture of grass. It's also possible that eating grass fulfills a dietary need, such as fiber. As long as your dog is healthy and the grass isn't treated with pesticides, there's usually no need to worry about this behavior. 7. Dogs heal their wounds by licking. It's a common belief that a dog's saliva has healing properties and that they should be allowed to lick their wounds. While it's true that licking can remove dirt and debris, excessive licking can actually prevent wounds from healing and cause infections. If your dog has a wound, it's best to clean it properly and consult your vet for appropriate treatment. 8. 1 human year equals 7 dog years. The idea that 1 human year equals 7 dog years is an oversimplification. Dogs age at different rates depending on their breed and size. Generally, dogs mature more quickly in their first few years of life, and the aging process slows down as they get older. A more accurate way to estimate your dog's age in dog years is to consider their breed and consult a vet for specific information. 9. Dogs need to be bathed frequently. While it's important to keep your dog clean, Overbathing can strip their coat of natural oils and cause skin problems. Most dogs only need a bath every few months, unless they get particularly dirty or have a skin condition that requires more frequent bathing. Regular brushing can help keep your dog's coat clean and reduce the need for baths. 10. All dogs are natural swimmers. Not all dogs are born swimmers. While some breeds are more inclined to take to water, others might be fearful or lack the physical build for swimming. Always introduce your dog to water gradually and never force them to swim. Use a life jacket for safety and ensure that they have a positive experience around water. Conclusion: understanding the truth behind these common myths can help us better care for and connect with our dogs. By debunking these misconceptions, we can improve our training techniques, enhance our dog's well-being, and strengthen our bond with them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Dog Whisperer Hub for more myth-busting content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.